Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. I have subscribed to Boot Select when I was in India. So I have gone into the website and logged in. And now I'm all set to see if I can watch the videos I've subscribed for. So I click on one of the videos and say watch now. Let's see what happens. If you see, it's going to say country not supported. The reason is Voot is only for India. So now what I have is I have a VPN, and let's see if I can use that to watch my videos. So I have CyberGhost VPN. I click on that and I can search for, I've already made some favorites, but I'll show you how to find the related servers. I search for India and then I go to the for streaming, and now I search for India. And once I do that, you can see there are two servers in India, one for Disney Hotstar and Netflix. So this is for streaming. So this is useful for streaming. So I have Netflix selected and I'm going to connect to that. So once it's connected, it will show me the IP address of that server, and it tells me where I'm connected. It shows that I'm connected to Mumbai, India. I close this app. Now go back to the website and reload the page. Let's see if I can watch the videos now. So if you see the wheel is spinning, that means the video is loading. It's not going to fail anymore saying country not supported. This is one way of watching the videos. I'm not going to play the video because this is copyrighted. So I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching. I'll share the CyberGhost VPN if you would like to subscribe to that. Thank you. Bye.